Frank. We entered each other's lives as one chapter was closing and another about to begin, both in pursuit of dreams and purpose beyond what the small town we grew up in could offer. If we were in a romance novel, this is where the author would stage some timely meet-cute or confession of love gone unrequited for far too long, but this is real life, so our story began with a trauma dump. At first, I recall being worried, wondering if what I shared was too much, too personal, too soon. What I would come to find is that confiding and trusting in you to navigate and bear some of life's toughest moments alongside me came with no judgment, no guilt, only comfort and a willingness to understand. I've fallen in love with you, my partner, my adventure buddy, my best friend. I promise to make you laugh every day, whether that be telling you the corniest jokes imaginable or providing you an unidentifiable offbeat hum of the song that I want you to play instead of the actual name. I promise to never turn down an adventure to see as much of the world as possible with you. At the start of this, I mentioned that our love story didn't start as all great romance novels do. Bear with me for a second, but it's not going to end that way either. Because this is real life, and the love stories sold the wrong things. They sold confessions of love made in the pouring rain, which I guess we're kind of doing. They sold grand gestures at every turn. They sold promises that couldn't reasonably be kept. I prefer our version. It isn't always glamorous or filled with butterflies and stars in our eyes, because it's real. I love you, Frank, constantly, consistently, continually, for the rest of our lives.
Wow.
There's no fish.
There's no fish?
There's no
You thought
fish.
there was?
There's no fish.
Okay.
You look so good.
That's good. You look
I
amazing.
love your little hair. I'm stepping on the dress, but that's okay.
It's everything you wanted it to be.
Yes. So cute.
Yeah. Katie, I never thought I'd be able to find someone as perfect for me as you. Your exceptionally kind and gentle nature has always given me comfort and solace when I need it most. I always find myself wanting to work harder to make sure you smile and bring you joy. I know I'm not perfect, but I know you have made me feel that I am the perfect person for you. You bring me a level of comfort that I'm unable to find with anyone else or anywhere else. And when I see you come home from a difficult or overstimulating day and feel you melt into my arms, I know you find comfort and calmness in me as well. From your naps, overconsumption of Dr. Pepper, lack of water, and random noises, I know I can't find anyone more perfect for me than you. I love you more than anything, and I vow to always be there when you need me and when you don't. To always work together and push forward to help you achieve your goals and ours, to learn and grow alongside you through all phases of life. I vow to be your stability when you need a calming presence and to be your husband and your best friend. And I vow to always choose you forever and always. We have built a strong foundation on trust and love and teamwork, and I know I don't want to take on any of life's challenges without you. Whatever the future brings, I know we can handle it together and thrive. Your husband, Frank.
It was just so clear, really, that they make such a great couple together. The same patience and compassion and challenging motivation that Frank provided me, I could see him providing with Katie. I'm so proud of you guys. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy for you guys, and I'm so excited to be a part of your lives and your future, and just I love you guys. Yeah.
rock, her best friend, her tennis partner, her in-home chef, her travel buddy, thank you, and her personal chauffeur for the past 8 or 9 years, so honestly this wedding is a little overdue. I hope you enjoy growing old with Katie as much as Courtney and I enjoyed growing up with her. And as Grandma Schmiel and Mom would say, oh, happy day. Cheers to the two of you.
By the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the state of Michigan, I am happy to pronounce Frank and Katelyn as husband and wife. Frank, you may kiss the bride.